You are Ladybug, and you can do this. So when things get tough, together we'll fight through it.
You've made a mistake.
Nope.
It's clear to see.
Well, obviously not.
You need a hero.
Precisely.
That is not me.